Once upon a time in a forest, there lived a little squirrel.
You know,
This little squirrel was very, very lazy. All day long, he would just sit on his haunches and do nothing. The seed landed on the ground with a soft thud. The owl was very surprised to see the little squirrel doing something for once. So the owl asked, "Little squirrel, why are you sitting here every day?" The little squirrel explained, "I want to do something great, but I don't know what. No matter how small the possibility is, if we nurture it, it can grow into something great. Saw this seed fall from the nest, and I am hoping that it will grow into a big tree. And I can climb it when I get too old to run around." The owl understood what the little squirrel was trying to do. He wanted to find something to hold on to in the future, so that he didn't have to work hard anymore. Thought the little squirrel, "I wonder what kind of plant it will grow into." He decided to keep an eye on that seed. Every day he would check to see if the seed had sprouted yet. But day after day, the seed remained just as it was. He collected nuts and berries, and he planted them. He took care of the plants, and he watered them. And after many, many years, all of his hard work paid off. The plants grew into big, strong trees, and the little squirrel was able to climb them. He had done something great, just like he had hoped. The other animals would pass by and they would tease him. "Hey, little squirrel, why don't you do something? Why don't you go and collect some nuts or berries?" But the little squirrel would just ignore them, and he would continue staring into the forest. One day, as the little squirrel was staring into the trees, he saw a tiny little seed fall from a bird's nest. One day, a wise old owl noticed the little squirrel sitting by the seed. The wise old owl said, "Little squirrel, you are approaching this all wrong. You should wait for a tree to grow so that you can climb it when you are old. Instead, you should plant the tree so that you can climb it when you are young." The little squirrel didn't understand what the owl meant at first. But as he thought about it more and more, he realized that the owl was right. He began to feel ashamed of himself for being lazy all these years. From that day on, the little squirrel started working hard. The little squirrel story is a lesson for all of us.